Hi everyone, Johnny here. Just want to plant another seed of hope in your heart. Isaiah 26:3, and you will keep him in perfect peace whose mind is stayed on you because he trusts in you. Now we've looked at shalom, shalom. We looked at the mind being stayed upon the Lord by resting and leaning upon him because he trusts in you. That word trust is also translated hope. It means to be confident in. It means to have complete assurance in. So when we trust in the Lord, see, that's the key. When my mind is stayed upon the Lord, what are my thoughts of God? What are my thoughts about his nature, character? Oh, he's trustworthy. God is incapable of letting you down. Trust in him today. Let your mind lean and rest upon him today, and let him keep you in shalom, shalom. God bless you.